All right, what's up guys? I'm Cameron Z1. Today we are underneath an automatic new Z, and if you have taken a peek underneath the new automatics, you'll see that they have this big old plastic transmission pan. And fun fact, they actually share this transmission pan with the new Frontier, which we have broken one of those. So what did we do? We designed this transmission pan armor. So it's going to install on either your new Frontier or on your new Z, and it's going to protect this from any impacts or damage. So we're going to go ahead and install it, and it's going to take just a couple minutes. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through our tools. So you'll need just 2 bits for this. You'll need an E10 bit, so it's an inverted Torx bit. An 8mm will work, but we're going to recommend you use the E10. And then you'll need just a simple 10mm. Make sure you keep this on a chain or something so it doesn't get away. And then an extension and a ratchet, of course. So all we're gonna do is, I've actually loosened these up, so we're just gonna crack these loose and break them, pull these bolts out. So the other nice part about this is that you don't have to drop the transmission at all, and it will give you a service port so that you can still access everything you need to. But you can install this without dropping the pan or needing to change fluid or anything like that. So you'll take the front 3 bolts on each side, and you'll remove those, and you'll just hold on to them. We're going to reuse them, just like that. But you have 3 more in the front, or sorry, 3 more in the back, and 1 more in the front that are just going to stay put. So you want to keep those in place. And then we'll just spin these out real quick. And I had already broken these loose, so I'm making it look way easier than it is. Set these down, I can barely hold it all. This little bracket here, which we will remove. That's it. Okay, now let's get that 10mm. I'm gonna set these somewhere you won't lose them. Then get your 10mm. And take off these 3 bolts here. 1, 2, and 3. Just remove these. I've also broken these loose just to make it simpler. But these just cover some coolant lines for the transmission cooler. Okay, we're gonna set that aside. We'll put it back on. Now let's put that E10 socket back on. So it should come to you like this. You'll just undo this little bolt on the side for the service panel. You'll just twist this guy out, set that aside, and then pop all these rubber plugs out. There should be 5 of them. So it even retains, there's a couple markers on here that are hard to see. There's a 4, 3, 2, 1. And we retain those 4, 3, 2, 1 markers so that you can service your transmission yourself, and makes it a little easier to see if you want that. Take 2 of them, and we're just going to slide it up here. Just scoot the lines back out of the way. And I like to do the middle 2. But we'll just start. If you have someone to hold it, that's great, but you can do it yourself. That 2. Okay. Just get one started, hop over to the other side, get the other one started. Okay, and we're just gonna get these snug. You do not want to over tighten these. Snug. And on this one we can install our service panel. So you just slide this up there and just press up and start threading. Just like that. We'll snug that up in a minute. Okay, and then put the remaining 4 bolts in. nice and snug. Last one. That's it. And then you'll just take your 8mm, snug that up, and you're done. Okay, last step is we're going to take those plugs that we pulled out of those 5 holes, and we're just going to reinstall those. Okay, so first one, you should just be able to set it on there and just press it right into place. So again, that's it. Super simple. Okay, so it should come with this little hardware baggie, just with 3 washers in it, and that's all you need to space this little bracket off. So what we're going to do is just start with an end, throw a washer on there, and just get it started. Then go to the next one. And get it started. And the last one. Just like that. Then you just take your 10mm and snug that up. And that's it. Now your plastic transmission pan is protected from damage against rocks, sticks, critters, whatever it may be. You're all good to go.